Alright traders, so here we are now on the XTB MT4 installation file over here. So take it from the link from your email over here that we have sent to you. And once you have copied that link over there, then go on to your browser. You go on to your browser, your Google, your Firefox, whatever it is, and paste it there and press enter. And once you press enter, then you can see that it would have downloaded it onto your um, browser over there, if you can see it there, right? And that would be in different browsers, will be in different places. Sometimes you got to look at your downloads folder too. Now once you've done that, then what you can then do is just drag it all the way down to your desktop, so just like that, okay? And that's pretty much that, very simple. And then you double click on that one there, and then it will come up with this folder in this box over here, and then you double click on that uh, icon over there, and then it will say something like this, and you say yes, and then after that you read through this thing if you want to, or just scroll down and say yes, agree to the terms and license agreement. It will come up with MQL5 in your browser. You can close that, you do not need to have that, and then you can minimize this. You can start to see starting to download the files, and it says tick and tick over here. You can see all of that, right? And then once it's done that, automatically it will just go off itself, and then you just got to wait for the MetaTrader program to start. Now once you've got that, then click on next over here, and then it will ask you for new demo account, new real account, whatever it is. Then put in your login details here, or into your real account, or into your demo account. Once you've done all of that, then you can then start using the MT4 account. For some reason, if let's say you did say new real account, and for some reason you've forgotten what it is, or your existing trade account that you have done from your XTB opening process, if you do not remember all of this, you can always come back to this. You can click on cancel for now. You can close this box, and you can start using your MT4. However, there won't be any connection, there won't be any real data. So if you do not know your account details, no problems. Go back to your email, find it, call XTB if you need to, and then you can go back. Once you've found it, go back to your file, go back to login to trade account, and put in your login and password details, okay? And then you'll be able to start using MT4. This is the MT4 installation process, and that's what this video is all about. I believe that you have understood now how to install MT4.